It's hard to describe the feeling of your first iVi. I'm using an iVi now and have been for months. You no longer search for the elusive webcam or where you pretend to talk to people while you're looking at them on your monitor. With iVi, you can do both. You can look at others eye to eye. They are live. They're on the patented high-resolution iVi screen. Here's Dr. Hasmukh Gajjar's reaction just after setting up his first iVi.
This is so immersive, and I think that's probably what it is, because you feel immersed into the engagement. It's impossible to understand that and appreciate it until you sit in front of it. No question about it. Until you sit in front of it, the size has a great deal to do with the intimacy. Fantastic, really is. I'm impressed.
Thanks, Dr. Gajjar. Like he has, you will no longer search for that webcam, pretending to talk to people and never really connecting with them, whether it's one person or 1,000. As long as you're looking at the hidden iVi camera, everyone will think that you're looking at them. Well, guess what? That picture's right here in front of me. When using Zoom, Teams, or any online platform, you're looking at them. I bet you'd like an iVi demo. Click on the scheduling link in the description or the QR code. Please like and subscribe for more iVi inspiration. Thank you. And thank you, Dr. Gajjar.